Okay guys, welcome to our how-to on fork seals for a TTR110. There's probably a few different ways of doing it. This is just how we do it. This is what we worked out works for us. So we've got Thomas and myself, Jared. Let's jump into it.
Enjoy.
First thing,
Top cap.
top cap off.
Then here, you've got a silver blank cap that goes on top of your compression spring. Push that down with some pressure. You've got an inner circlip that has to come out. Pop that out. And on this side, you've got yourself a 6mm Allen key. You'll pull that off the bottom of the valve spread. Drains out the oil.
The top clip, much easier to do with two people. You can get one guy to hold the compression down and the other person to get a pick tool and flick that clip out. Makes life 100 times easier. But what we'll start with is draining out the oil out the bottom, I think. That Allen bolt, as Thomas is doing now. Which depends how many years it's been since it was last scrapped.
Or how many wheat bits you had this morning.
That's it. We'll drain some of the oil out. It's gonna take a while. We might be able to take that gut dust cap off and punch a hole in that spring if we need to. Grab the screwdriver. You can take this dust cap off whenever you're ready as well. Just get the screwdriver in there. Try not to damage this one because most of them don't come with a new dust cap. They come with just the seal itself. You can work your way around with the screwdriver nice and steady. Pull that dust seal off. Keep that. Most of the seals, the new ones, don't come with them. What's next there, Thomas?
All right, next is, let's put apply some pressure on this top cap. Minus the oil's run out, pressure on the top cap.
That way we can flip the holding retaining clip off. You can see there's a little circlip or a retaining clip in there.
Just in there.
You find the open end and then use the pick tool or a little screwdriver to flick it open while a friend holds it down. Makes it a lot easier. And we'll do that now. Right. Oh, now that we've got that, that's the retaining clip there. Take that off. Put that aside, and the top cap.
Top cap goes.
Retaining clip sits around that.
Now the next thing we've got is you've got yourself this guy here. Got one there and one there. You just want to pop them out and then you've got the seal. You'll be able to pull the main cylinder out.
Edit this down. There we go. Retaining clip out. Keep it all together. That way we know how it goes back together. Put that aside. And then we will flip the seal out. It's this guy. Then you just get a nice hook tool or a screwdriver and flip that seal out the top. Give it a bit of
Clean.
Take a step back to see the truth.
flick it off. There is a washer under there as well. Try not to lose that bad boy. You can leave him there. Give it a bit of a clean down, a bit of a clean for the shaft because you want to put your fresh oil in there. Alright, give it a clean down through there. Grab the new fork seal. So you've got the new fork seal there, the washer is still down there. What we want to do is get a socket that fits around it nicely and put that in. Make sure it goes in nice and even, because if it goes on an angle, it's going to be game over. Then give that nice little bit of pressure. It needs more than that. Might even take this out of the stand and do it on the ground. But
Perfect. Look at that.
not
Excellent.
too much pressure and it pushes right in. Lovely, nice and sealed and nice and even. You can see the line where the retaining clip sits. That's how you know you've got it far enough down.
Big
You can
groove.
even pop that in. Pop that retaining clip in as such. And then slap it back together. That can all just go back in the same way it came out. Slide it down. Take the spring out. To get the measurements, you need to have it fully compressed and spring out, and from what we read, 80mm from the top. So we get the Allen bolt, put that back in the bottom, grab our fork oil.
Bolts it on. Let's put some
Fork oil
fork oil in it.
Without the spring but the shaft compressed.
The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful. You and me.
More.
We meant to be.
has a bit-
If you do go too high, you can use a syringe, suck it out.
Next, pop our spring back in. If you're going heavier duty springs, now's the perfect time to pop them bad boys in. But for the sake of this exercise, I'm not going to.
Sometimes you need to go.
We also want to put our retainer clip
Take a step
on top of our sill.
to see the truth.
Goes on the bottom, and we want to put our dust cover back on.
Back over, pressing nice.
Make sure you clean it.
Everything's all pre-lubed because we spill a bit of pork oil around, which is not a bad thing always.
Meant to be.
Then we're going to put this stopper in.
Keep throwing it holding down, and then put the clip back in.
Get a new clip, always get a new retaining clip.
New retaining clip always helps, like we did, definitely.
Meant to be.
Put that retaining clip back in there.
In the great outdoors.
Nice and good. Put that top cap on and we're done.
Retaining clip in,
Cover on,
cover on,
back in the bike.
put it back in the triple clamps.